Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the iZEEKER Dual Lens Trail Camera with 4K resolution and 48 megapixel. That's nice, but that's not enough because it comes with a Wi-Fi Bluetooth camera system. That means you can control this trail camera system with your smartphone. That's really awesome. You do not have to adjust it before you start. You can adjust it, of course, a little bit, but then you can adjust it freely with your app. That's cool. That's hands-free design. It comes with a Starlight Nightvision, H.264 Ultra HD videos and only 1.1 second trigger time. Only 0.1 seconds is the trigger time. This is fast, as you can see. It's for wildlife monitoring and included 32 gigabyte of SD card, and you will need 4 AA batteries, which are in the box too. If you like to gain the movie time, the observation time of this camera system, you can add another 4 AA batteries into it. That means you can double the range. Innovative dual lens design and a superb Starlight Nightvision, adapted to advanced optics lenses. This trail camera captures clear full color pictures and videos in daylight conditions. Not only in daylight, okay? And it will automatically adjust itself using its infrared sensors for different lighting conditions. It has incredible superb Starlight Nightvision on board. We can get a full color image in low light conditions, and we can see remarkably clear black and white images in total darkness because of the LEDs. But these are LEDs which your eyes cannot see, so that's cool. And it is equipped with 3 Sony high-pixel image sensors, 2 different lenses, distortion-free HD one for daylight shooting, and a large aperture one for starlight shooting, and 2 high-powered 850 nm low-glow LEDs, light-emitted diodes. The dual lens tray camera takes clearer 48 megapixel pictures and smoother 4K Ultra HD videos with less image noises and vivider details. H.265 video recording and 3 sensitive PIR sensors. The dual lens tray camera shoots advanced H.264 4K 30 frames videos with clear sound. Of course, you can use not only 4K. It's possible to go down with the pixels too. It's possible, of course, but 4K 30 frames, that's nice. And it comes with a clear sound. It's really good. We can review them more clearly, smoothly, and we save up to 80% of memory card storage compared to the MJPEG videos used in the almost most trail cameras out there. 3 sensitive PIR sensors makes this camera system here trigger immediately when the motion is detected. The fast trigger time reached the 0.1 seconds, and the longest trigger distance is 65 feet. These are 20 meters. And Wi-Fi connection and easy angle adjustment. Easily, we connect this trail camera to our phone through the Wi-Fi network. That means we make a talk network with this camera. We can make setting adjustment. We view a live stream of our camera from our phone screen to adjust the angle and position. And of course we can download the content directly to our phone without having to take down the camera and plug it into a computer. The Wi-Fi connection is of course limited to 33 feet. But this is enough. If you're nearly the camera system, you can enter into the Wi-Fi network of this, and then you can use the wildlife camera app to control this camera. Wow. When we play back the pictures on the trail cam, we can zoom in and out them to check every detail of the captured subject. Meanwhile, we can play a video clip faster or slower than its original speed by operation buttons. It has more pragmatic features like a timer, a loop recording, a time lapse. We can make a 1 up to 10 photo burst setting, an automatic extended video lens, a larger supported memory storage goes up to 256 gigabyte. So you can replace the 32 gigabyte SD card, which is included, with a bigger one. No problem for it, of course. This is the iZEEKER dual lens Wi-Fi trail camera, 4K 48 megapixel with Starlight night vision. This is the IG600. We want to see incredible clear stills and audible videos with less image noise and vivid details. Wonder how full color photos and videos in low light conditions look like? And would like to a budget trail cam that always allows us to check the pictures and the footage from our phone. Yeah, it is. The iZEEKER dual lens Wi-Fi camera system IG600 will be a top choice for the first time users or tech savvy who loves wildlife monitoring or wildlife photography or of course hunting too. Okay, if we replace the SD card, we should take a class 10 or higher SD HTU3 card up to 256. We do not use a micro SD card with a card adapter, but you can see it is possible to do this. But maybe it's a little bit it comes to a little bit trouble. So you have to check this first. But the company itself, iZEEKER, says no micro SD cards, only the big ones. We insert and remove the SD card when the trail camera is in off mode. We format the new SD card in setup mode on the trail cam before we use the device for the first time. If we use an old card, we format it to FAT32 on our computer before we inserting it into the game Hunter's Cam here. And we use 4 or 8 high-quality AA alkaline batteries. The high-quality AA rechargeable batteries are also available, so you can use rechargeable batteries for it or a standard way. The iZEEKER trail camera is compatible with a 6-volt 2 ampere external power supply. This can be used in the backyard, for example. The suited size is 3.5 to 1.35 millimeter. And a 32 gigabyte SD card and 4 AA alkaline batteries are included. So you have everything to start. Of course, you does not need the app control. It is an optional thing. You can also operate with this trail camera manually too, no problem. This dual lens trail camera can automatically switch between day and the night shotting. We need to adjust into the settings to activate the color image and of course videos in low light conditions. This dual lens Wi-Fi trail camera is not a webcam and it's not a cellular camera. The Wi-Fi connection and the app control has of course range limits, but it is wonderful for mobile shootings, for looking to the deers, looking for your cats, and for your hippos in the garden, of course. We have a low light camera, a native 1080p resolution with an aperture of 1.4. We have a daytime camera with ultra 4K 30 frames resolution and an aperture of 2. With the trail camera IG600, we have the dual camera setup. There is a 4K Ultra HD resolution camera, and of course there is more because there is a second cam. This has 1080p resolution, which has awesome things for low light conditions and total darkness. The advanced dual lens automatically switch to the produce high quality image in different light conditions. This showing a vivid and vibrant wildlife world. And a fabulous visual experience comes with this. This dual lens trail camera captures 3 different colored photos and videos in 3 different light conditions. This bringing us impressive and interesting visual experience. Thanks to the Sony image sensor, the premium dual lens, low glow technology and exclusive infrared spotting scope, we can use a full color distinct still and smooth videos in the daytime. Get full color crisp image and footage in low light conditions, and we watch incredible crystal clear black and white photographs and video clips in the darkness. The low light camera captures up to 2 times more light in low light conditions because of the night vision. The exclusive nighttime lens and the advanced Sony image sensor combine to gather more lights to take a full color image in the low light conditions and generating excellent Starlight night visions. The 2 high-powered, low-glow LEDs and the cutting-edge infrared spotting scopes provide a wider flash range and brings more uniform brightness at night. And this trail camera shoots ultra clear black and white footage with less image noises and vignetting in the darkness. We definitely won't be disappointed by this amazing night vision, of course. This is easy, as you can see, to enter into the mode manually or enter into the mode with the web, with your smartphone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.